What's up, guys? Welcome back to the episode of Tuned Engines, and this is my motorcycle right here. Alright guys, this is a 2002 800cc Vulcan. It's made by Kawasaki. And let's just say that this motorcycle shoots a bunch of flames and fireballs. But yeah guys, so I've had this motorcycle for a really long time. And I have not been able to drive it for a while. Probably like, I would say like maybe 4 or 5 months. It's mostly because of COVID. I've been trying to get parts and like parts I've been taking forever to get. So basically guys, what we're trying to go ahead and fix is that my throttle return cable, the one I have it right here. I got the new ones on, but I have it right here. This one snapped on me when I was driving. And basically since it snapped, my throttle was stuck open and I could not disengage it. So you can see that it snapped off right there. It's missing like the little connector. I'm not sure how y'all can see it, but it's missing the little connector. I went ahead and bought a new throttle return, and I was like, well, I'm already working on it. So I went ahead and also changed the throttle cable as well. So we're gonna go ahead and change out both of these cables in today's video. Also, probably like clean it, wash it, check the carburetor, make sure it's all good, like clean it a little bit, and then also probably replace the spark plugs as well. Just doing some maintenance on my freaking fire breathing motorcycle. So let's get this video started. And right here you can see the throttle return that broke and the throttle connector. So we're going to go ahead and take those off from the carburetor and go ahead and replace them with the new ones. But yeah, you can see the one that popped off right there. Alright guys, so we have the new cables. You have the throttle cable here, then we have the throttle return. I made sure to see if they were the right ones, and they are, so we're going to go ahead and install them. I'm also going to go ahead and put a little bit of grease in here. But yeah guys, so right here you can tell, like right there, a little gray spot right here. Right there, that's where my throttle return snapped off when I was driving. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and fix it and also replace the throttle cables just because I'm doing this anyway. And put grease in here so it will be sliding easy. Guys, as you can see, it comes with like a new safety pin. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the old one as well, in case y'all were wondering if we're gonna be using it. No, we're gonna be using a new one. So first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is route the cables. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in here. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and take off the spark plugs right here. I'm going to just I'll change them out since I'm already doing this and they're easy to get to. So we're going to go ahead and take out the spark plug on this side of the engine and also on this one right here. So let's go ahead and take both of them off. Alright guys, as you can see, these spark plugs don't look that bad. They actually look really clean. I think some wire just got in here a little bit, but besides, like, it looks really clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and go ahead and use my wire brush and just take off some of the carbon deposit, like right here, as much as I can. And then once I'm done with it, I'm gonna go ahead and put the gap where it's supposed to be. I believe it's a 0.28 to 0.32 inches. Alright guys, and now with all of that done, we can go ahead and start assembling the motorcycle again and putting the gas tank on it and connecting all the vacuum hoses, the fuel hoses, and everything. So let's go ahead and start connecting that.
Look into my eyes and tell me the way I feel.
Alright guys, well I hope y'all enjoyed the video. As you saw, this freaking motorcycle is super cool and freaking shoots out a lot of fire. It's, and just so y'all know, it's not because like it's messed up or anything, it's just that it's like that. Carburetor engines are like that, and we tried running it like not super rich, not super lean, but just right, but still shoots out fireballs. But yeah guys, so hopefully in the future we get to see more of this motorcycle. I'm actually thinking about doing some moto vlogs or something like that, just driving around, like putting like a GoPro on my helmet and a microphone, because I have a helmet that has a microphone built in. But we'll see what happens in the future though. But yeah guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and also check out all of the other videos you have put out before. So I'll see you all next time.